So yeah, this was a last minute vlog. It was hella raining, as you can see from the beginning, but now we're around his family's house, my cousin's family's house, and it's not so raining outside. But I still don't have a sweater or a jacket because I don't give a fuck. Yeah, and these are the babies. And here we go. Hella wet, y'all. So we made it to my cousin's family's house. This is grandma's house. We're at grandma's house. Let's just say that, okay? And he left us to go get some food and coffee, but that's okay. I'm cool with that. And me and my sister, we were gonna smoke the wax, but low-key my cousin fucking got it in his backpack, and I hella forgot, even though I asked him for it. But no, he's so lazy, he didn't want to take it out. But no, we're smoking the rest of his vape. It's very little, but fuck it. But yeah, we're gonna just chill until he comes back and watch some YouTube. So see you then. And here's my saucer chilling right there. I'm a little fatty, give me a little queen. And this video is gonna get demonetized again, so fuck it. Billie Eilish, fucking gorgeous ass bitch. Like I said, we just left my cousin's family's house. Some nasty ass dogs over there. Everybody in that damn house. No, but I guess we're gonna drop off Charlie. Not really sure what the plan is. Are you still going to the store? Oh yeah, you gotta get him dog food, huh? And here's these little peasants right by me. This is a gorgeous one. Oh my god, bitch, I got some tea. I got some tea to tell you about my nasty ass motherfucking cousin molesting my dog. But we'll say that when I get back. Bye. What's with the recording me? No. Look at Rylan. Throw that ass in a circle.
If I get raped, I'm going outside after some guy just jumped the gate, running through here. So if you don't see me again, just know
he's dramatic.
That I love you guys, even though I don't know you.
He's fake.
I love food, and it's gone.
Fake. Bye. This is the last time I'll see you.
If I'm out there laying down dead, I want you to inherit my drawers, okay? They might be blood stains. Not making a joke about being raped.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, but besides all that dramatic shit, I forgot to film the rest of the day. We went to the laundromat, did some laundry, then went to the store, then went to go get food. Now we just ate. We're full as fuck. Yeah, Domino's. My sister's gonna be mad. But other than that, we're full. We're about to smoke, and that was the day. This is a little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.
I lived. Thank you. I know most of you guys are worried. Shit.
But you're gonna see him throw that ass in a circle. But yeah, I hope everybody had a good, safe day. And today was cool. Today was cool. I hope you liked this little vlog, because that's all I had. And I'm shocked I even started vlogging today, because I wasn't really gonna. It was my cousin's idea, you know, last minute. But yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Tell me which part you liked, so I can know what you want to see more of, other than the eating videos. And yeah, just give me a thumbs up if you liked it and you support this page. Other than that, have a good day and good night. Bye.